Hello students, today I am going to explain you present continuous tense. Myself Pratibha Bhatnagar, and I am going to explain present continuous tense of your grammar lesson. Present continuous tense, the form is be plus verb plus ing. Present continuous tense is used for actions which are taking place at the time of speaking. For example, I am teaching you. The boys are playing. Uses of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used for number 1. An action that occurs for the brief period of time. Okay, for example, she is staying in Delhi for the next 2 months. Second, an action which has been going on for a period of time but may not be happening at the time of speaking. Third, action that may take place in near future. For example, my mother is leaving for Pune this evening. Fourth, it is used with have when we use it in the sense of eating, drinking, and performing a particular action. For example, I am having a sandwich. Sam is having a swim in the pool. Yes, where we don't use present tense. We don't use present continuous tense in the sense of ownership or referring to a physical condition. Have. I am having a house in Delhi. It is wrong. I have a house in Delhi. Next, for example, I am having cold. This is wrong. I have cold is right. Now, how we will add ing with the base form of the verb. First, e is removed with the verb ending with e. When we use ing with e ending words, e is removed. For example, live, L-I-V-E, live plus ing. L-I-V-I-N-G. E is removed from here. Second, the verb which end with consonant and a vowel is placed before this consonant. Then we double the consonant to add ing. For example, sit, S-I-T, sit. Here, I vowel is before consonant T. So when we add ing, then it will be S-I-T-T-I-N-G. But we don't double the consonant ending with W, R and Y. For example, G-R-O-W. W is a consonant and O is a vowel plus ing. But we don't double it. It will be like G-R-O-W-I-N-G.